Hello everybody and welcome to assignment A. We're just going to be talking about the very basics of geometry, naming lines, planes, and so forth. For number 1, 1, 2, and 3 we're referring to this figure on the right. It says name a line that contains the points T and P. Well, there's several ways to do that. Line T and P is this line right here. We can call that line G. Or we can call that line TP, or we could call that line TN, or we could call it line NP. All of those are ways to name the line that contains the points T and P. Number 2, name a line that intersects the plane containing points Q, N, and P. Q, N, and P is the plane S here, and the line intersecting it is this line J that is coming down through it, kind of like piercing a pen or pencil through a piece of paper, or we can call that line MT. Number 3, name the plane that contains TN and QR. That it is referring to plane S. We can also call that plane PTR, or we could call that QTN, and there's quite a few others. The point is, naming a plane requires 3 non-collinear points. Now, 3 lines, 3 dot points that are not on the same line. Okay. Number 4, we are to draw and label a figure. We need a plane T here. I'll draw a quick sketch of a plane T, call that T. And we have lines AK. And then we also have lines CG. And then they intersect at point M. There we go. For number 5, a line contains the point -4, -4. So we're going to go left 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and down 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And the points 2, 3, right 2, and up 3. So I'm going to draw a straight line that connects those two. And we're going to call that, say, another line called Q, passes through there somewhere else on the plane, but no, it doesn't intersect. Since it doesn't intersect, we need a parallel line. So I'm going to call this line right here Q, and it passes through some unknown point N right there. So that satisfies number 5. All right, number 6, 7, and 8, referring to this plane here, we have a 3-dimensional box-like figure on top of a plane. How many planes are shown in the figure? Well, that would be 6. You might think 7, but this bottom plane here that has S, X, and R is not counted twice. Name 3 collinear points. The only points that happens is S, X, and M. And the question is, are N, R, S, W coplanar, meaning are they on the same plane? N here, R here, S here are all on this bottom plane, but W is not. The answer to this question is no. W is on a different plane. Okay, and in this visualization, some real-world examples of planes, points, and lines. Number 9, this might be construed as a plane, stop sign. Some may say that the stick holding it up is a line. That might work. The tip of the pen, that is a point. And the strings on a violin or guitar, those would be lines. And there you go.